This video is going to look at division. Division can also be called sharing, and that's sometimes an easier way to think about it when you're using smaller numbers. If we've got the problem here, 6 divided by 2, what it really means is 6 shared out between 2. So the first thing we're going to do with this is look at what we're sharing it out into. In this sum, we're sharing into 2. So we're going to draw 2 circles. After that, we're going to look at the number that we're sharing out, which is 6. So we've got our 2 circles. You could use counters for this, but sometimes it's easier just to do it on paper. I've got my 6 to share out here. And we're going to share them into each circle. One in one, one in the other, until they're all shared out. So one in one in the other, and keep going. Now for all the problems in this video, you should get the same number in each circle. In this case, we've got 3 dots in each circle. So we know that 6 shared out or divided by 2 equals 3. Let's have a look at a different example of that. We're going to look at another example then. So here we've got 9 divided by 3. Remember, it also means 9 shared out between 3. Okay, so looking at that number, we're going to need 3 circles. Then we look at how many we're sharing out. So in this case, we're sharing 9 out. I'm going to use dots, but remember, counters can be useful for this as well. So once we've shared these 9 dots out into the circles, we'll see how many are in each circle. In this case, you can see we've got 3 in each circle, which means 9 shared into 3 equals 3. Here are some practice questions that you can try now. Just remember to use the method we used beforehand, sharing out the number of dots on the left-hand side into the number of circles on the right-hand side. It should all be equal when you're done. None of these should have remainders or fractions as answers. Remember, check them with a calculator when you're done, and hopefully you get them all correct.